Morning, everybody. How you doing today? About a year and a half ago or so, WLToys put out a 1/10 scale street truck. It's called the 104072. I'm gonna do a video unboxing of this one right now. Picked this up off Amazon. They're having a very good sale. Probably in this Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. So I figured I'd take advantage of it. In the box, we have just the owner's manual, parts list, everything you need in case things break down. We have a USB charger here and with the balance port built in. We have a hex wrench, some extra body clips, a little screwdriver, and then we have the remote. This is the I guess older, you can say version 2 remote, but still works quite well, and the range is pretty good on these as well. And we have the car itself. This actually looks like a true 1/10 scale. It's going back to some of the other offerings that WLToys have put out over the last little while. Not just this manufacturer, but other manufacturers where they claim a certain scale, but it's actually not that scale. In this particular case, it actually is a true 1/10 scale. So I'm just going to go ahead and start taking everything out to show you a little closer, in-depth look on this particular RC truck. Incidentally, it is shares the chassis with the 104001, but as you can see, it's a little bit different. So as you can see, the scale is a true 1/10 scale. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and take off the body clips. Apparently this one here has quite the light show. A lot of LED lights, either you love it or you hate it. I'm just going to go ahead and start. So get this body out of the way. I'm going to have to reroute this. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have a 3650 brushless motor, runs at 4500 kV. We also have a 25 tooth pinion, so that's what gives it its very good speed straight out of the box. So you can actually leave it as is if you wish. We have a 2S 3000 milliamp LiPo battery around the bottom over there. Okay, and the same shocks as on the 104001 buggy. They share the same purple anodized color. Of course, we have oil-filled shocks, and dog bones are shorter, of course, than the buggy, but they are fairly thick, of course, to handle the weight of this. The bottom of the chassis, very streamlined, as you can see. Okay, so we got a metal section in the middle, and then of course the side pods, and of course that's where you would, add your batteries and whatnot. But it is still fixed to a certain size LiPo, but nothing that can't be changed. You can move the battery tray around, but all the metal bits are there, same as on the buggy. Let me show you that a little bit closer. Okay, so you got your center differential right in the middle, so that'll even out the torque front to rear, so give it more stable handling, especially during high-speed maneuvers. Tires, yeah, it looks like there's foam in them, but yeah, they feel good. Not much tread on them, but then again, that's what it is for these speed rated tires. So we'll see how the wear goes on this. I may change out these tires, I'm not exactly sure. And again, it's kind of hard to show, but let's see if I can maneuver it for you guys. Here we have the LED system, which is right at the front here, and here's the front grille. And of course we have the rear grille and the rear LED section in the back. So it's quite comprehensive, this particular RC truck. So what I've done, because this buggy, so this chassis has a problem, it's prone to flexing, so I went ahead and ordered a couple of carbon fiber reinforcements to connect it to the front, and of course the front of the the rear of the front shock towers to the middle section, and then of course the rear section that's going to attach to the I'm thinking, I can't remember, but I think it's in the rear shock towers or something like that. But so I'm going to go ahead and install that, and that'll stiffen up the chassis and make it the way it's supposed to be versus what they kind of left it designed like this. This the buggy came out first, and then there was a lot of controversy about the flex of the buggy. Unfortunately, they didn't change it with the introduction of this truck. They should have. There's been a lot of complaints about it, but I guess WLToys decided to just leave it as is, which is sad. I think these days you really have to listen to your customer. But maybe they, at the time, they were thinking about money, and they just wanted just to get another model out. But I mean, and I'm not sure if that's what actually happened. I'm thinking it probably was, which is unfortunate. But anyways, but then it leaves us as consumers with the situation that we have to somehow strengthen, and that means spending more money on chassis braces. But anyway, it is what it is. So this is the conclusion of the 104072 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive speed truck. If you guys have any questions about this RC or any of the other ones in my fleet, please leave a comment below. I'll answer any questions that you guys may have. Okay, have a good day. Ciao.